dearring me.
I wandered through the darkness, lost in my way, searching for comfort, longing to stay. Then like a whisper, your love came near, lighting my path, drawing me near. Your grace, it shines, illuminating these times. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing away my iniquity. Your endless love, so wild and free. Grace like rain, it's all I need. Once I was broken, carrying pain, but you healed my heart, washed away the stain. Now I walk in light, His warmth envelops me, dancing through life, so blissfully free. Let it rain down, your love all around. Grace like rain falls down on me, washing away my iniquity. Your endless love, so wild and free. Grace like rain, it's all I need. In every raindrop, there's a promise sweet. With grace like rain, my heart's complete.
Ooh. Hello, happy new year. I know I've not spoken to you guys since this vlog started. Yeah, my bad. It's because I didn't plan to even vlog, because I went to the hospital to get vaccinated, but the medical system here is not it at all. It's not it at all. Like, they keep making me want to compare Nigeria and UK. I know when you are in UK, you tend to work and you make money, you see your money, you know what you use your money to do. Unlike Nigeria, that there's no job opportunity and all those kind of things. But there are some things that are still so good in that country that we underrate. Like the sea finish that we have for Nigeria is too much that we don't even see the bright side of that country. I don't know what I'm even here to talk about. Guys, I missed you guys. Yeah, it's been some minutes that I picked up my camera. I think 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. Like, the last time I picked up my camera was on New Year Eve. Yeah, I've no vlog since that day. And yeah, guys, see, I can't see. I know I'm gonna be saying many blah blah in this thing. I'm having creators blog. If you don't know what creator blog is when creators don't know what to post. Like, they are so confused on what they will post, blah blah. Even have any idea on what to post. Yeah, I'm having that. I don't even know what to post. I don't know what content I should bring out. Even my Instagram, I literally said I was going to be serious this year. I'm going to be serious because this year just started, but I don't even know what to post. And I want you guys to like help me in the comment section what you feel like you want to hear. Do you want to hear? Okay, I think I have one. I think I need to do sit down video, but what kind of sit down video do you want? Do you want to know the process of my traveling? Know the process of how I gained admission, the traveling something? Because it's 1 year and 5 months already. Do you want to know how my life has been since I've been in the UK? How the job hunt is? See, just tell me, because me, I don't even know what I'm saying. I just need your help. Just write in the comment section what you like to see from my channel this year, and I will do the sit down video. Yeah, I'll do it. I really don't fancy sit down video. It's not like I don't fancy it. I like sit down video. When I sit down and talk to you guys used to love it, but it's not easy to edit. Editing lifestyle vlog is easier. Like, I can do something today and I'll edit it immediately, but sit down video, I need to edit, all the quiet part. You understand? So just tell me what you want. Sit down video, and I will try my best to incorporate sit down video in my vlogs. At least even if I post like one lifestyle vlog this week, one lifestyle vlog the next week, I'll post one sit down. So that's how we're going to do this year. Yeah, I'll try my best with that sit down video. And also, guys, my skincare has finished too. I don't even understand. Everything just finished at once. Everything. See this one. This one is really small. This other one. This one has finished. All my toners have even finished. I don't know. And the sugar I took during the holiday is really telling on me, because what's this on my face? You can say it's really annoying. I don't even want to think about this face thing this year. I don't really have the time for this skin this year. I don't have the time at all. Okay. Also, guys, I really want to move. I'm tired of this apartment. I am tired of it. I'm seriously tired of it. I really want to change the look of my room. Yeah, I think I'm going to vlog about that. It's going to be on another vlog. Yeah. For some reason, I've been liking pink. Normally, my color is green. I love green. But now it's like when I see colors, I don't get attracted to green anymore. When I was growing up, I hated pink so much. When I say hated, like I hated pink so much. But now, once I see this color like this, my eyes is choking. Like I'm beginning to like pink, and it's so shocked. Like I'm perplexed. So I really want to incorporate pink in my life. Yeah, in my life as a girly. So I want to change my cotton, but I don't know where to get pink cotton. I don't know where to get it. I also want to change my bedspread, my duvet set. I want to put some mini. I already got pink frame, but like the one I said earlier, I've not gotten the frame. I've gotten the picture, like pink something. I should have done it since, but I've been saying when I move, when I I've not gotten an apartment. I really want to move. I'm tired of this house. I am tired. Like I'm tired of this space. Actually, I don't fancy it anymore. I want to move to a beautiful space, but even though I don't really have that money now, but I still want to move. The thing is that I've not seen any apartments. I've been searching, I've not seen. So I was thinking of moving with my friend. So we'll be like 2 bed, because we stay together now. She's in her room, I'm in my room. So this is like a 2 bed, but we want to like go to a better place, because this our house don't have sitting room. It's somehow. That's why I really want to change my apartment, but I will. For now, I need to make my space comfortable for me, because since I love pink now, might as well change my room to pink room. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the vlog. I know this vlog is short. This is the end of the vlog. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Please don't forget to tell me the kind of vlogs you want to see. I'm here for you guys. I will do what you want. Just tell me the kind of vlogs you want to see. And if you've gotten to this point, please subscribe, share my video, like my video, so YouTube can suggest it to other people, and also give me a pink heart in the comment section, so I'll know that you watched it to this point. Love you. Bye.